All right, kiddos, what are we drawing today?
A lion!
A lion! We're drawing Aslan the Lion from The Lion, Witch, and the Wardrobe.
Kids read and draw!
All right, hi kids. We have a new book for you today. The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe from the Chronicles of Narnia, written by C.S. Lewis. If you guys have not read any of these books, we highly recommend these books. Should we tell them? I don't think they've noticed yet. Where are we?
Our new studio!
Crazy! We're so excited to be in this new space. What do you think?
It's pretty awesome.
You love
and
it?
I also love that sign too.
Yeah, we made that sign. If you haven't seen that, go check out our Instagram page and you can watch me make that sign myself. Okay, Eli, what is your favorite part about Lion, Witch, and the Wardrobe?
It's really hard, but I think I like the part with the talking beaver.
Oh, the beavers, yes. I love the beavers when the whole family, all the kiddos get to talk to the beavers. And there's talking beavers. That's crazy. Okay, Ellie, what is your favorite part of The Lion, Witch, and the Wardrobe?
I like Lucy and Mr. Tumnus.
Mr. Tumnus. He's an awesome character. We love Mr. Tumnus. And did you guys know that there's also a movie about this book?
I love the movie
It's a really good movie. What we like to do in our house is we love to read the book first and then watch the movie. That's kind of our reward. So if there's ever a book...
I actually don't like doing that.
Oh, she doesn't like doing it. I think she secretly does. Who's ready to start drawing?
Me!
All right, let's dive in and get drawing. Okay, so we're going to draw the lion right here in the middle. So pause. If I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video and you can follow along. You can catch up and then press play again. Okay, so stick with me. Don't jump ahead or you might get lost. If you make any mistakes, it's okay. Happy little accidents, right? Okay, so we are going to start with the lion's face. So I'm going to start over here kind of on this right side, and it's kind of like a rounded heart shape. So watch me first, and then you can dive in and start drawing. So I'm going to do a big rounded shape like this, so kind of the left side of a heart. Go ahead and draw that. And then I'm going to round the bottom for like his chin area and start scooping back up a little bit. And then let's go ahead and start back up at the top. And then we'll connect it as we go down. Yep, perfect. Perfect. Lions are cats.
Yeah.
Okay, so watch this next part. Sorry to interrupt our drawing, but if you haven't yet, pause and subscribe. It would mean the world to us if you support us that way. So pause real quick, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next video. Back to the drawing. Let's go. We're gonna draw a little nose, and it's kind of like maybe a flat line across, a little scoop down maybe. And then we'll draw another scoop down right underneath that. Yep, so that's going to be his nose. Aslan the Lion. Okay, we're going to draw a little eyeball a little bit further back here. Just a little dot. He's going to be a cutesy little lion.
Yeah.
And we're going to draw kind of right above the tip of the nose. We'll draw one right about there. About the same size dot. And then he's a happy lion. He's a very friendly lion. A very loving lion. So we're going to draw his little cheek, and it's going to swoop down like this. Yep, perfect.
And then same thing for the other side, right?
And then we'll scoop down the other way.
Like two fishing hooks.
Yep. And we're actually going to give him a little open mouth. So we're going to scoop down this way and kind of connect that way. Yep, we're going to do a tongue inside. So hopefully you have enough space there. If not, you could just leave it the little cheeks too. That would be okay. So we did a little U shape connecting those cheeks, and then we're going to kind of shade in a little bit of that top right section. So it kind of looks like he has a little tongue inside of his mouth. Is that pretty cool? Yep, that's great.
There's a better way of drawing a tongue.
Sticking out?
Yes.
Yeah, that's okay. We'll leave it inside. Okay, next up, we're going to draw his cute little ear. So we're not going to draw his fur yet. We're going to put his ear down first. So a little upside down U shape. So a big arc up. Yep, don't go too far away from the face. But we'll draw a little fur, like it's poking out of his mane. The mane is the hair around the lion's head, the big fluffy stuff. So then
Those are funny.
We're going to come over on the left side of that heart of the face, so kind of right above it. We're going to draw another ear shape. Yep, and then some fur sticking out again. So just draw a bunch of zigzags, and it kind of looks like fur sticking out. Yeah, that's good. And then, now we get to draw the big fluffy mane.
Like bears.
It's okay. The mane is what makes it really look like a lion, so pay close attention. So we're going to draw the big fluffy mane up top. So watch first if you need to. And we're going to draw kind of little zigzags all the way down. And we're going to stop right down at the bottom. So it's kind of like a big heart shape again. Yeah.
But with zigzags in it.
Yep, little lightning bolt zigzags. Good, good. And then we'll kind of connect the other side. So I'm not going to start at the end. I'm going to make it look like it's overlapping a little bit. So start higher up and try to stay close to the left ear. He's going to have a big fluffy mane. That looks like a big snuggly lion. I would want to cuddle with it. Would you? Would you guys be brave enough?
If it was a nice lion
If
and
it was a nice
it was
one.
trained.
Aslan is a really nice
Yeah.
lion.
So yeah.
If it was Aslan.
That's true. Okay, so we have the head. We're done with the head. Good job. Actually, let's do a couple little lines inside the ear.
Can I do the inside part?
Yep, you can do that. Okay, then we're going to do the body. So kind of pretend, you're coming down for his neck. So we have to kind of go back behind the ear, and we're going to scoop down for his back. So kind of a S curve and S shape. Yep, that looks good. And then his back leg is going to be kicking out a little bit. So kind of do another little S curve. It's kind of a big wiggly line. And if your line ends up kind of goofy, that's okay. He'll be standing in a funny position. So on the back of that foot, yep, dun, 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 on the back of that foot, we're gonna curl around. So watch me first, and we're gonna do his big fluffy paw. So we're gonna kind of hook around for his toes, and then watch this part. We're gonna go up for his knee. So watch closely. We're gonna kind of follow the same curve that we did for the back of his foot. So we're gonna watch first. So we're gonna curve up, and then it's gonna kind of come over this way for his big thigh, his big knee. Yep. Good job, yep. So now we're gonna do his belly, and it's gonna connect to his front leg right about here. So watch me close. So we're gonna do his belly that kind of comes down to his chest, and then we're gonna do his leg that kind of comes straight down, and then we're gonna hook his toe again, his little paw. And this one I'll kind of draw in a little bit, just like that. Yep, so do his belly.
Little F.
Yep, and then go straight down, and he's going to be standing real tough, very strong. He's a lovable but strong lion.
Yeah, really strong.
Yep, so this one, we'll go back up straight, and then we'll do kind of a front shoulder. Whoa, bless you.
Whoa.
So we'll do straight line up for the front of his leg, and then we'll do like a little curve over for his front shoulder. Yep, perfect. I gotta stop saying perfect. It just keeps coming out. Okay, so we'll do kind of the rest of his chest. So wherever this line ended, kind of pretend like you're connecting over to that and draw his chest up that way. Yep, good. And we're gonna draw his other front leg, so kind of popping out right about here. And I'm not gonna go down as far, I'm gonna leave it up a little bit higher so it looks like it's his back leg. So down, and then we'll hook his toe like we've been doing. And then kind of curl it up next to his mane. And how many legs does he have?
4.
1, 2, 3, but we only have 3. Where's his back leg gonna go? So right
somewhere
underneath
over
there, yeah.
here.
So kind of right where the back thigh, the leg meets his belly. So we're gonna draw kind of another line down, and then draw another toe right up underneath there. There's one last detail that we need to add to the lion. What's he missing?
The tail.
The tail on the back. So watch this. His tail's gonna curl up like this, and he's got a little poof at the end of it. So watch real quick. We're gonna do the inside of that curve, and we'll kind of make the tail thicker down on the bottom, and then kind of go up thinner. The tail will get skinnier. Yep. And then it's kind of like a raindrop or a teardrop is what I like drawn as the end of a lion tail. But it's gonna be like a sideways little drop. Does that make sense? Yeah, perfect. Oh, Ellie's adding some fluffiness to it. Okay, so let's do this. We'll add kind of little toes. So each of his little paws, draw just 2 little curved lines. Those will become his little toes. Perfect. Good job.
You said it
I
again.
said perfect again. Okay, how does yours look at home? What do you guys think of yours? I love them. So good mane, good big head, fluffy little tail. Okay, I think we're ready to start coloring. What do you think?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, we're gonna dive in and start coloring. Have fun. Pause the video if you need to. Let's go. Okay, kiddos. I think we're done coloring, right? You guys feel good? Let's show off your drawings. Awesome! Can you show
Mine
yours
has
off
a
too?
sunset.
Yours has a sunset. I ended up drawing a table. This is actually my favorite part. I'll give you a little sneak peek. Aslan the Lion, he is so loving that he sacrificed himself for one of the boys in the family.
Yeah.
So if you want to know more about that, that's the only sneak peek I'm going to give you. Go out and read the book, Lion, Witch, and the Wardrobe. What are we wearing right now?
Our
Our new t-shirts. Rad dad, rad kid, another rad kid. So if you haven't visited our website, kidsreadanddraw.com, we have a lot of really cool new merch on there. New swag, some rad swag. So if you need a new sketchbook or anything like that, go check it out. Hopefully you're proud of your drawing like these two kiddos are and like I am too. So if you're proud of your drawing, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and maybe ask your mom or dad or teacher to maybe share your drawing and your coloring with us there. So Instagram, Kids Read and Draw, send us a message. Thanks for joining us today, kiddos. We really hope you enjoyed drawing the lion with us, and we really hope that you go out and read Chronicles of Narnia, The Lion, Witch, and the Wardrobe by C.S. Lewis. He's an amazing author. So if you haven't read it with your family, read it with your teacher, some classmates, anything. But other than that, thanks for reading and drawing with us. Bye, kids.
Bye.
Bye. Bloopers!
All right.
Chronicles of Narnia.
Chronicles.
There we go. Chronicles. Barnacles of Narnia.
Barnacles. Let's try that again. So what we do in our house is we like to read the movie first and then what? Read the movie. Whoops. Okay, let's start over. All right, smiles.
Bye. We're saying bye.
Bye,
Kids.
bye, kids. Get out of here, kids. What are you doing? Why are you still here? Leave.
Shoo shoo.
Shoo shoo. Okay, if you haven't subscribed yet, go hit that subscribe button so you don't miss other videos like this and our awesome book recommendations.
Subscribe!